Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the important topics of maths regarding the pi. Okay, so let's work together, do our best to learn as much as we can, and respect and support each other through all the challenges. Let's do this. Okay, students, can you please tell me how can we measure the length of this straight line? Basically, we are using the ruler. Using the ruler, we can find the length of this length. Okay. Students, can you please tell me how can we measure the circumference of this wall clock? Okay. You take just the meter tape and you round it, and using this you can measure the length of the or the circumference of the wall clock. Okay. But what if the circle is big like the earth? Okay. Earth is a sphere, so we cannot string it out, and we cannot measure the actual circumference of the earth using the meter tape. So what we can do, so basically we know that the circumference of the circle and every circle have a diameter. So circumference of the circle upon diameter, the ratio of this is known as the pi. So basically the value of pi is 3.14159. Okay, this ratio is applicable for all the circles irrespective of its size. Okay, whatever the size is, it doesn't matter for it. So the value of pi is 3.14159263358999793 and go on. Okay, we cannot find the exact value of pi. Okay, nowadays the exact value of pi is you can see on the screen. Okay, in the fraction, you can identify the value of pi as a 22/7. Okay, it's a ratio form of the value of pi. Okay, why this is important for us, the value of pi, finding the value of pi. So we basically surrounded by the electrons and atoms and molecules as well as the pupils. Then we have also a clock, a bracelet, wearing bracelet, a wheels we use in the vehicles. Okay, and the letters also like alphabets is a O. So O is also a circle as well as a planetary motions, right? As we know the solar systems, it rotates in the circular motions. So it's mean that the value of pi exists in the some form of our history also. So we can predict and assume the value of number line, right? So pi is an irrational number, so you cannot write down in a simple fraction as well as pi. So a simple fraction of the pi is known as 22/7, but it's not the accurate value. To find out the accurate value, to its approximate value of pi is up to 11 digit, like a 3.14159265358. Okay, in general, in a school day-to-day life, we use the value of pi is 22/7, which is nearby up to 3.1428, but it's only applicable for two digits only, 3.14. If we take 355 divided by 113, then it can be applicable for up to six digits, like 3.141592. Okay, and so on. So the most accurate value of pi is approximately 50 trillion digits. Yes, students, it's a 50 trillion digits. So why here again the question was arise, why we find the more and more accurate value of pi? So pi is help us to understand the periodic and oscillating motions. Okay, in general science, periodic motions and oscillatory motions are very important for us, as well as for find out the electromagnetic waves, the nature of the waves. Its pi is help out for this. Using pi, we can find the light travel as a wave particle. Okay, as we know that we learn in science that the light is traveling in a two form. One is a particle form and second one is a wave form. So using pi, we can find the path of the light by the wave format. So using pi, we can solve a number of mysteries of the universe. So happy Pi Day to all. बस कितना मिनट थी